guys, my name is Kana Goodfresh. Today we're going to start Python. So as I told you in the last tutorial, today we are going to discuss about variables. So what are variables? First I'm going to open Python. So I ex- accept expect from you all have you done the revision of thunkable, and if I think so I've given a tutorial for downloading idle. So that's for that. I think so that's for you guys, but please see these all things first, not thunkable. We're going to discuss idle. So what are idle? In this we are going to discuss about variables. So we have to give a new file. So you can write code over here also in the this thing in this is okay in the REPL. But okay, I'm giving a new file for this for the coding. So I don't like to do in the REPL. So today, guys, we're going to discuss about Python. So what is Python? So Python, yeah, actually it's a programming language and it's more. Instagram is made up of Python actually, and even the Uber of India taxi company also has made it is also made up of Python. So guys, let us start with our first code. Not code, guys. This is our first proper coding. So I'm gonna give So we're going to discuss about different variables, but I need to give them comments first. So in third module, we're going to know about comments. Okay, guys, comments. Okay. So what is first type of variable is string. So what is string variables? So I'm going to give. So what are string variables? The string variables are the variables that have that are having this double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes. Okay, guys, I think so. But these all are very important things for you guys. Okay, but I think so. You need to know about these all variables. So a string is not. It's not. You can write anything. You need to write A B C D F G. So that is the thing. So example, these double quotes is used for writing small letters. You can write big also, but it's used for triple quotes. Okay, like the Hindu. Yes, that's the first thing. Okay, the second thing is that. Okay, the second thing is that. Second is the one quote, the single quotes. These single quotes are also used for writing small letters that I can run. Okay, guys. And the triple quotes is right. So triple quotes is for writing big letters. Okay, guys. It's used for writing. I can run very fast. So this is used for writing big letters, big sentences or letter. I can run very fast. Okay. Then my friend. Okay. This is a big sentence I've written. So this is the example of triple quotes. I think so you got it. So guys, these are variables. So I'm going to make a proper variable for string. A is equal to. I can give double quotes. You won't write triple quotes one and single quotes. I'm going to use double quotes. I'll write the Hindu. Okay, this is a newspaper. So this is not a number or not an integer. Otherwise, it will give an error. So if I tell you, wait, guys, the spelling is wrong. Yes, If I don't give any string, it will give me an error. Okay, string error. So I need to give an, so I'll give it as a dot, no, variables dot py, variables dot py. I think so. You know the chapter of this module 2. So I'm going to run the module. See, this is, it gave me. So you need to give double quotes for that. Next is string, integer variables. So what are integer variables? I'm giving a comment. Say okay. So what are integer variables? Int is a half form of integer. Okay, so I'm going to give equals. So what is integer variables? Like what? It's not having this. It doesn't have. It doesn't have double quotes. It doesn't have a triple quotes like that. It doesn't have these quotes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 100, 1 to 10, 1 to 11, 1 to 12, 1 to 12, 13. This is int. So int is a built-in function also. So we are going to write a proper variable that is 1 to 3, 123. This is an integer. Integer means numbers. I think so. I've learned in math. This third type of variable is going to comment. The third type of variable is float. Float. It's not that floating, that boat floating. It's not that one. That float is decimal points or points which we give in between the numbers. That's float variables. Okay? These are float variables. Okay, so I think so you got it, guys, what I'm telling you. So what are float variables? Float variables are having decimal points like 4.45.67. This is a float variable, or you can see this. It doesn't have any integer. It doesn't contain any string, or it doesn't contain any triple quotes. Okay, this is about this function. Okay, now we're going to make a proper variable for that float. This will be a. So then we will see how we can convert anything into integer. So we'll see that, guys. So I will give it as b. See. So guys, see, I'm going to give 45.67. So guys, this is the variables we have discussed, integer. So I think so you got. And I'm going to tell you the definition of variables. What are variables? So fill and container. So in the sugar container, I'm going to fill sugar. In the can container, I'll fill juice and all these things. So if anyone asks, any professional ask in interview, what is variables? You can say this definition. Or there are three types of variables. There are strings. There are integers, and there are decimal points called float. So you tell float, don't tell decimal points, otherwise it will get big. And they'll tell what are three types of string. You tell triple quotes and double quotes and single quotes. These are the three. So guys, if I want to print, if you can print a variable, you can print anything in this one time. You cannot print one thing in one time. You can print two things in two times. So guys, I'll tell you a built-in function called type. Type is a built-in function to know the type or a class. Class you will know afterwards. It's a inheritance. You will know it afterwards. I don't want to make it that much complicated. So this is the type variable function. So this type function tells what is this. It will tell me string. If I give a, it will return my value as string. Okay guys, so when I will run the module, See, it gave me class str. Str means string. If I will know the value b, it will tell me int. Int means integer. Okay, guys. As I told you in this one, this is integer. Int means integer. And if I write C, it will tell me class float. Okay. So guys, this is class float. So I think so you have got all the things what I'm teaching you. Okay, guys. But we can print, as I told you, we can print one thing in two time. So we can print two things in one time. So if I print A and D, so it will tell B. It will understand B is nothing. So it will give. Why should I return D? It will tell me like that. This Python thing. This Python will tell me like that. See, it told me like that only. If I do D, I'm going to give it again a string only. Then we'll end this video. It is becoming very big one. So I have limit of 15 minutes. So okay, I'm going to write here A. So I don't have time. So then I'm going to write here A. So D is now I have defined B. It will tell now it will print and it will allow what I'm doing. So with this we end our video. So please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment down below. Bye.